are going to start a new chapter from your computer science, that is chapter number 4, Formatting in MS PowerPoint 2016. Previously in chapter number 3, we have learned that how to work on MS PowerPoint, editing in MS PowerPoint, working with slides, and basic formatting about the MS PowerPoint 2016. Now let's come to the lesson. First, introduction. Let me remind you that PowerPoint presentations are used when we want to show or we want to give information to a large number of audience. Okay, now let me tell you about these 3 basic features which you will be using while formatting in presentation. The first is blank presentation. Blank presentation is a presentation with a white background and a black text. Okay, number 2, sample templates. Sample templates are the set presentation which include different layouts and themes which help us to work easily and quickly. And number 3, themes. Themes are a set of predefined format of text, colors and graphic effects. So, before I have told you about the 3 basics formatting options, that is number 1, blank presentation, number 2, sample templates, and number 3, themes. Now let me introduce you about more format options. Number 1, inserting SmartArt. SmartArt is a graphical way to represent your text in a different layouts and styles. Number 2, editing SmartArt. Here we learn how to edit the SmartArt. Number 3 and 4, it is about applying and editing themes. Yes, we already know that themes are a set of text, colors and special effects which will make your presentation attractive. So we will learn how to apply and edit themes. Okay, number 5, changing background color. Here, changing the background color means to change the background color of the slides. And number 6, inserting tables, and number 7, inserting charts. That is, we can insert tables and charts in presentation. So in this lesson we are going to learn all these formatting options. So now let's move on to the computer screen. Okay students, now let us learn how to apply all those formats in MS PowerPoint 2016. Okay, first I'll show you how to open Microsoft PowerPoint as you know, but I'll remind you again. First go to the Start button, click at the All Program option. After that go and search where is the Microsoft Office. And in the Microsoft Office, you'll find Microsoft Office PowerPoint 2016. Okay. Here, this is the first slide it will appear. As you know, and I have told you that the blank page in MS PowerPoint, that is called a slide. And the whole slide combination of all the slides, that is called a presentation. Now, if you want to open new slide, you have to go to File option. Okay, File option and click at the New option. After clicking New option, you'll find different kinds of options here. See, first is what? Blank presentation, as it is mentioned on your book. If you want to open any blank presentation, you can click at the blank presentation and click at the Create. Then the blank presentation will appear. Or if you want to choose a sample template. Okay, a sample templates are those predefined which is already saved in the software. Here sample template is here. Click at the sample template. You can choose any one of the format or designs. Okay, any one of the style you can choose and click Create. And see here, all different kinds of slide is present. See here, click one by one and you can see different kinds of styles. Okay, themes. This is what? Predefined templates which is already saved. Okay, it will save your time. What you need to do is you just have to change the topics. Okay, change the names of the project on which you are working. And the third one is, okay, let me change it again into a blank presentation. And the third one is, if you want to insert a new theme of yourself, of your choice, then you can go to the design tab and select any desired theme. Okay, there are many types of themes here present here. You can choose any one of them. Okay, different kinds of themes are there. So this is all about blank presentations, sample templates and themes. Now let us learn how to work with SmartArt. Here I'll show you how to insert SmartArt and how to edit the SmartArt. Okay, so in order to add SmartArt, first what you have to do, okay, here already there is two placeholder. Okay, this placeholder you can delete it by clicking at the border and just click the delete key on the keyboard. Okay, so now it becomes a blank. Or either you can choose the blank layout. Here in the layout there is an option blank slide. Okay, you can change the slide to a blank slide. Okay, after that now we will insert SmartArt. First we have to go to the insert tab. Here you will find the SmartArt option. Click at the SmartArt, and as it is shown on your book, click on the cycle and you can choose the first SmartArt. Okay, and click at the OK button. Now it is inserted. Now you can type your topic name on the given layouts. Okay, first is what? The first one is adult frog. Okay, adult frog. And the second one is eggs and spawn. Eggs, spawn. Third one is tadpole. That means baby frog. Tadpole, baby frog. Okay, and the fourth one is tadpole with legs. And the last one and the fifth one, that is young frog. Now see, as you can see on the screen, you can compare with your book. It's the same as your book. Adult frog, egg spawn, tadpole, baby frog. Okay. Now after that, now your inserted SmartArt is inserted. Now you can edit it according to your wish. Either you can change color or the font style. Okay. First, let us learn how to edit and where to edit. Okay. If you click outside of the SmartArt, the editing option of SmartArt will not come. But if you click at the SmartArt, here see on the tabs, there will be two more tabs, that is design tab and format tab for SmartArt. Okay, here you can change the color. See, the color of the SmartArt can be changed here. And if you want to change the layout of the SmartArt, okay, if you don't like this design, you can change this layout. You have to simply click at the down arrow button and you can change any of the layout given here. Okay, now we'll click at this one as given in the book. Now you can see the layout of the SmartArt is changed. Okay, this is how you can edit and insert SmartArt. Okay, or either if you want to change the font style here in the SmartArt, you can go to format. Okay, you can choose text field. Okay, you can choose any color. Okay. First, what you have to do is select the font, choose any color. Okay. So, like this, how you will work with SmartArt. Now, let us learn how to apply theme and how to edit the existing theme. Okay, in order to apply themes, first what you have to do, go to the Design tab, and in the Themes group, you will find many different kinds of themes. From here, you can choose any of the themes. For example, I'll choose this theme. Now see, the theme is already applied. And now if you want to edit the theme, this color, the font style, you can edit it here in the themes group. Click at the color option. You can choose any of the color present here, okay? Or this one. Now the color has been set. Now you can choose the font style. Okay. Or either you can choose the effect of the theme. Okay, here you can choose any of the effect here. This is how you can apply and edit the themes. Now let us learn how to apply or change the background color of a slide. Okay, in order to change the background color of a slide, you have to go to the Design tab. From the background group, there is background styles, hide background graphics. Here you have to choose the background styles and click at the format background option. Then a dialog box will appear for format background. Here different types are there: solid fill, gradient fill, picture or texture fill, pattern fill. Okay, the first one is solid fill. Solid fill means only one color filling. Okay, here if I choose any color, the background color of the slide will be changed only in one color. But in the gradient fill, there are two or more color. Okay, either 2, 3, 4 colors are there. Here, for example, there are preset colors. You can choose any one of them. Now see, if you close and see, the background color of the slide is changed to white and green. Or either the third one, picture and texture fill. If you choose picture and texture fill, you have to insert picture from your file. Click the file option. You can go and you can choose any picture from your folders. Okay. For example, here I'll choose any picture from my folder. Here, insert. And see, as you can see, the background picture is changed into a picture. And the next one, the pattern fill. There are different types of patterns present here. You can choose any one of them. See, this is the pattern fill. You can choose different patterns also. This is how we can change the background color, or either texture, solid fill, gradient fill, etc. Okay, now let us learn how to insert tables in PowerPoint presentation. First, this is the title and subtitle layout. Now, let us change it into a title and content. And here you'll find this one is table, insert table option. This one is insert chart option, SmartArt, picture, clip art, and media. So we'll choose insert table option here. Okay. Now I'll choose 5 columns and 5 rows, and click OK. Your table will be inserted. As it is not visible, I'll change the color of the table here. Now see, you can see the lines are visible. Okay, this is how you can insert a table in a PowerPoint presentation. And you can start typing here. Okay, either the student names if you want to show the data of the students who are pass and fail. Okay, and here you can write the class. Okay, either class 5 or class 6. This is how you will work with tables in the presentation. And here you can see the format there for tables. You can change the layout of the table, colors. Okay, see here, as I go down, click one by one, the color and layouts of the table will be changed. So this is how we are going to work with the tables in the presentation. Now let us learn how to insert charts in presentation. In order to insert a chart, click at the Insert tab and click at the Chart option. Here you will find many different types of chart styles like column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart. Many kinds of chart styles are there which you can explore later on. For now, I'll choose column chart and click any one of the chart styles and click OK. As soon as you insert a chart, an Excel sheet will open, because all the data of the chart in the presentation it will be edited on Excel sheet. Okay. The first category is I'll change the data. For example, I'll choose China here. I'll write China. Second, India. Third one, USA. Fourth, Russia. As you can see, as I change here, the data in the Excel sheet, data in the presentation also has been changed. China, India, USA, Russia. If you want to edit, you can right click at the chart and click the edit option. The Excel sheet will appear. Okay. Here you can edit the numeric data also. Okay. In this manner you can edit charts in presentation. The Excel sheet will help you edit the data and the graphical form will be shown on the presentation. Okay, you can close the Excel sheet here. Now see, the chart has been inserted.